Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 30th day of October 2025. Great to be with you again. And boy, the market was just collecting the volume from the FOMC yesterday and it's still very, very high today. The setup is the same as we do a lot of times on trades of the day. We have a very strong candle pushing off the trend, and the strong candle indicator, that little red diamond, says take this candle short. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So we'll start off with a cover order, and then if it pushes up, which I believe it did, we'll go ahead and move the entry point to the body of the candle. And I expect the next candle to be somewhere around 100 ticks in length. So we're going to match our ATM to that. We're going to do 20s, 50s, and 100. We'll de-risk the trade after 20s and see if we can hit our 50 and 100 tick runners. So this is how it went down in the room today. I better put this on because it was pretty quick today. There you go. That's what we need right there. Okay. Stop goes to where it belongs. Last major failure point. And now we just sit and wait. We'll go ahead and speed it up a bit. Now watch what happens when the first target gets taken out. Look at the stop. Stop will go from way up there to a break-even position. Well, not yet. There it goes. All right, so now the first target's out. We are in totally break even. So now we're just cheering the market on. Second target's out, and we're just saying go for it because the market was pretty rowdy today. So we'll see how long it takes to get our third target out. I believe it could have actually gone a lot longer. I mean, a lot further down the chart, but we'll stay with what we had and go from there. It's having some problems with the resistance point here, obviously. It's having some problems staying below it. But once it does it just plows down to the last target. All right, so this closes outside the range. Beautiful, beautiful trade there. And then it finishes out there. So this trade took 5.5 minutes and was worth 955 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 955 US dollars in 10.5 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at SamuraiDayTrading.com. SamuraiDayTrading.com. Got a whole online course to teach you how to trade. We have weekly coaching that goes along with that. Your indicators, that's the only place you can find the strong candle indicator. And we'll look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. So God bless you, and we'll see you next time.